Hello students, hope you all are doing well. In yesterday's video, we have learned about the meaning of social science, and in today's video, we'll be learning about the scope and relevance of social science. So let's get started. Okay. So let's start with the scope of social science. Scope refers to the range of questions it asks, as we have studied earlier in the previous lecture as well. That geography includes the study of environment, history includes the study of the past, and economy includes the study of money matters. Political science includes the study of how the society is being governed. So that's what so scope includes only. Scope refers to the range of questions that social science ask and the range of topics it includes. So it will be very simple for you to understand. Like geography, we have already learned about it. Geography tells us about the society, about the climate, about the soil, earth, topography. History tells us about how the society how the society changes over time. Political science tells us about the how the society was governed. What are the powers of prime minister, what are the powers of president, how the society is being governed, what are the rights and duties of the citizens. And economics, I have already told you, economics is the social science which tells us how we have to deal with the unlimited wants and limited resources. How we can fulfill our unlimited wants. हमारी इच्छाएं अनलिमिटेड हैं लेकिन रिसोर्सेज लिमिटेड हैं, तो उसको कैसे पूरा किया जाए, कैसे फुलफिल किया जाए. इकोनॉमिक्स इज ऑल अबाउट दैट ओनली. सो that's it about the scope of social science. Now let's start it with the relevance of social science. Now relevance means importance of social science. Why social science is important? As we have already learned about the scope of social science, so relevance will be easy to understand now, as we have done that. All the four main disciplines, what they study is about. So why they are important now? Because it tells us about the society. Like first point is social science and society. Each society has different groups of people. As we all know that India is a diverse country, we have different groups of people, different languages we spoke, different cultures there are. So social science tells us about those different lifestyles. It tells us about the society, how these differences develop among the people, how we learn to live together. Like you know that India is a good example of unity in diversity, anekta mein ekta ka example. So similarly it tells us about the society only. It also tells us about the certain problems. For example, discrimination we faces in the society. Like you all know that untouchability was there in the past. uh, Untouchability was there in the past, that is with the Dalit peoples. Prejudices, social exclusion, we learn about all these problems. Now do you know the meaning of prejudice or social exclusion? Prejudice means negative thinking about the particular group of people, and social exclusion means to exclude somebody from the mainstream society. We learn to respect each other. So we learn about the different problems, different groups of people, different lifestyles. So that's what. Now another point is social science and environment. As we have already learned that geography tells us about the forest, about water, about land. It helps us to understand कि how the human being is affecting the environment. हम लोग कैसे environment को ख़राब कर रहे हैं, क्या क्या environmental problems है, pollution है, global warming है, sustainability का question. So we learn about the environment. Right, in geography we have learned that. So that's why social science is important, because it tells us about the environment or the environmental problems. The third one is social science and economy. As we have already discussed, ki economics tells us about the money matters, ki how to manage the limited resource to fulfill the unlimited wants. So similarly, how families do the planning, how they make the budget, society level पे budget कैसे create होगा, economy level पे कैसे create होगा, तो social science helps us to understand to take these decisions related to spending of money, investing of money. And the another one, social science and governance, we have already learned this in scope of social science, that political science tells us about how the society is being governed, who takes the decision. As you have already learned in your previous classes, that we have three organs of the government: legislative, executive, judiciary. So legislative is there for making the laws, executive for passing those laws, and judiciary to make sure that everyone is following those laws. So governance affects our daily life, how the society is being governed, schools, hospitals, roads, welfare schemes, how the government is taking the decision, how the citizens are taking part in it. So social science is important because it tells us about the governance of the society. So this we have done already in the scope. So social science is important because it helps to solve all these problems, it tells us about all these things. Okay, and the last one is interconnections of social science. That is a very important point. Like, social science is meaningful when we connect all these things, all these four main disciplines. Is social science is not only the collection of the four subjects, but it is the interconnection between those subjects, कि हम इन सभी सब्जेक्ट्स को कैसे इंटरकनेक्ट करके अपनी लाइफ की रियल प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करें. That's how social science is important. For example, if we are learning about the floods in the society, so geography tells us the rainfall pattern of that area, why that flood came over there, the topography of that area. The history tells us about the past. So history here will tell us that how was the development of that city takes place, what was the drainage pattern in the past of that area. Economics, now economics tells us about what will be the cost of rebuilding now. अब उसको दोबारा से उस सिटी को बनाने की कॉस्ट क्या आएगी, क्या पैसे लगेंगे. एंड पॉलिटिकल साइंस विल टेल अस दैट now how the government will react in this matter. गवर्नमेंट क्या करेगी यहाँ पे डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट के लिए, गवर्नमेंट का क्या रोल होगा. तो इंटरकनेक्शन इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. All the disciplines are important in their own perspective, but the interconnection is also very important. So that's it for today. Thanks for listening, and tomorrow we will be covering the topic, the guiding values in the social science. Okay, thank you so much.